Let's close the deal, guys, with these profits. Okay, we closed.
Okay, so hello guys. Today is 2nd February 2026. While the rest of the world was watching gold hit record highs and trying to buy the dip, we were looking for the exit. So look at the screen. We identified a premium supply zone at the 4790 level. Notice how the price taps this orange box and immediately reject. This isn't a coincidence. This is where the big banks are distributing their orders. We entered our short position right at the top 4790 with a mathematically protected stop loss. As a disciplined operator, your only job here is to sit on your hands. Most traders close their profit at 100 pips because they are afraid. At Discipline Trade Academy, we hold because we trust the structure, we trust the process. We are riding the wave of billion of dollars being liquidated from the trap buyers. As you approach the 4688 level, you can see the panic in the candles. This is the full liquidation phase, and there it is. Target hit 1021 pips secured in a single session. We went from 4790 all the way down to 4688 with surgical precision. This trade wasn't a lucky guess, it was the result of mastering market microstructure. If you are tired of being the liquidity for the big players, it's time to change your mindset. Join the Discipline Trade Academy, learn the discipline, and start trading like an operator. I am Pritam Banerjee. Stay disciplined, and I will see you at the next setup. Bye bye, guys.